Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into macOS with Touch ID, full guide step by step clearly. To log into macOS using Touch ID, start by ensuring your Mac supports Touch ID. Touch ID is available on MacBook Pro models introduced in 2016 and later, as well as MacBook Air models from 2018 or newer. Make sure you have already set up your Touch ID. To do this, go to the Apple menu, then select System Preferences. In System Preferences, click on Touch ID. Follow the prompts to add your fingerprint if you haven't done it yet. Once Touch ID is set up, you can use it for various tasks, including logging into macOS. To log in, simply press the Touch ID button on your keyboard or the touch bar. This button is located in the upper right corner of your keyboard. Place your registered finger lightly on the Touch ID button. Your Mac will recognize your fingerprint and log you in. If your finger isn't recognized, try adjusting the position of your finger. You can also use your password to log in if Touch ID fails. Make sure that your Mac is awake and on the login screen before using Touch ID. Once logged in, you can also use Touch ID for various apps and services that support it. To log out or switch users, you can simply use the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select Log Out or Switch User, and you can then use Touch ID again upon logging back in. Touch ID offers a convenient and secure way to access your macOS device quickly. Keep your fingers clean and dry for optimal Touch ID performance. If you have any issues, consider resetting your Touch ID settings in System Preferences. With these steps, logging into macOS using Touch ID should be a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.